Are you a content creator or a YouTuber wanting a smooth, automatic zoom effect without paying Screen Studio's high prices? Well, you're not alone. At $229 for a lifetime or $108 a year and no Windows version, Screen Studio is not for everyone. That's why I use Focus C, the best alternative for both Windows and Mac. Focus C has all the core features you'd expect: automatic mouse follow zooms, cursor effects, spotlight highlighting, and even automatic subtitle generation. But here's where it stands out. You get better pricing, it's just $69.99 for a lifetime license with free updates. There's more customization. You can change mouse size, style, click sounds. You can add borders or filters to your webcam feed, replace backgrounds, and more. Recording is simple. You can pick full screen, custom area, or a window, then pause and restart anytime. Focus C auto-applies zoom effects, lets you tweak them, add watermarks, and export in the right size for social media. It also works with any desktop app, unlike some browser-based tools, making it perfect for demos, tutorials, and marketing videos. If Screen Studio's price and Mac-only limit bother you, Focus C is the clear choice. Grab the special discount link in the description below and upgrade your screen recordings today. Thank you so much for watching.